You're working a 9 to 5, coming home exhausted, barely seeing your kids, and wondering if there's a way out. Let me tell you something. They don't want you to know this, but regular jobs were never designed to make you rich. And if you're a busy parent trying to make ends meet, you're probably feeling trapped. But here's the good news. You can start earning money online even as a complete beginner without quitting your job right away. I know this because I did it myself. So stick around because I'm going to be breaking down how you can combine 3 powerful methods: affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, and digital products to create a full-time income online from home. Just a few years ago, I was in the same boat, working long hours, barely keeping up with my bills, and feeling like I had no time to even think about making extra money. And then everything changed when I discovered how to leverage multiple online income streams together. Today, I make a full-time online income, and I want to show you exactly how you can do the same. I'll break down how to combine affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, and digital products to create a system that works for you, even with limited time. Let's jump right into it. If you're a parent, you already know your time is limited. You wake up early, get the kids ready for school, work all day, come home, you cooking, you cleaning, and before you know it, it's bedtime. Then you wake up and do it all over again. The thought of starting a business might seem impossible, right? And let's be real, most people think making money online is some kind of scam. They heard about it, but they just don't believe that it's real. They think it's either too complicated or requires a ton of money to start. That's exactly what I thought too, until I actually tried it. Then I found out most businesses don't even require as much time or money as you would think. So let's break it down. Here's how you can combine 3 online business models into one powerful system that generates income on autopilot. First, let's start with YouTube automation. YouTube automation is the foundation of this strategy because it drives free traffic that you can later monetize in multiple ways. Most people don't realize this, but you don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. Instead, you can create faceless videos using stock footage, AI-generated voiceovers, and basic editing tools. Once your videos get views, you can monetize them on YouTube with ads and use them to promote affiliate links and digital courses. Here are some easy steps that help you get started. Step number 1, pick a niche, something people are already searching for, like personal finance, self-improvement, or productivity. Number 2, use free stock footage from sites like Pexels and Pixabay. Number 3, create voiceovers using AI tools like 11 Labs or hire freelancers on Fiverr. Number 4, upload and optimize your videos with good titles, descriptions, and tags. Create eye-catching thumbnails using Canva or hire freelancers to design them for you. Once your channel starts to grow, you can make money through ad revenue. But the real power comes from what we do next. The next thing we want to do is monetize with affiliate marketing. Once your YouTube channel starts attracting views, you can direct that traffic to affiliate products. This is where you get paid for promoting products that align with your audience's interests. Instead of relying on YouTube ads, which takes time to generate substantial income, affiliate marketing allows you to make commissions right away. Here are some steps that help you get started. Step number 1, you want to find affiliate programs that fit your niche. Programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or high-ticket programs like Full-Time Freedom. Step number 2, create videos that naturally lead to affiliate sales. For example, best tools for productivity or top 5 side hustles for beginners. Step number 3, place your affiliate links in the video description and pinned comment. Step number 4, drive traffic from your videos to these links and earn commissions whenever someone makes a purchase. This combination alone, YouTube automation and affiliate marketing, can create a passive income machine. But to maximize your earnings, you need just one more piece. That next piece, we want to scale with digital products. Once you have traffic coming in from YouTube and you're earning commissions through affiliate marketing, it's time to take things up a notch by selling your own digital products. Unlike affiliate marketing, where you only get a percentage of the sale, selling digital products allows you to keep 100% of the profits. Plus, you only have to create the product once and you can sell it over and over again. So what kind of digital products can you sell? It can be ebooks, where you write a short guide on a topic related to your niche. It can be an online course, where you teach something you already know and package it into a step-by-step program. Or it can be templates. It can be Canva templates, social media planners, budgeting spreadsheets, anything people can use instantly. Here are some steps that help you get started with digital products. Step number 1, use your YouTube videos to promote your digital product. For example, want to learn more? Get my full guide below in the description. Step number 2, you want to sell it on platforms like WAP, Shopify, or Teachable. Step number 3, offer bonuses or discounts to increase your conversion. Once you combine YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, and digital products, you create an ecosystem where each income stream supports the others. Your YouTube videos drive traffic, affiliate marketing brings in commissions, and digital products maximize your earnings. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but Marcus, does this really work? Let me tell you this. I was exactly where you are. I was broke, overwhelmed, and constantly doubting myself. But once I started to take action, everything changed. That first $100 I made online was life-changing because it proved to me that this was real. And once I scaled up, I was able to stop treating this as a side hustle and be able to do this full time to be able to provide more for my family. You don't have to be an expert. You don't need a ton of time. You just need to start. Because every day you wait is another day you're stuck in the same cycle. And if I can do this while raising kids, being a stay-at-home dad, and having zero experience, so can you. Let's do a quick recap. The best way for busy parents to start making money online is by combining number 1, YouTube automation. This is where you're going to be creating faceless videos to drive traffic. Affiliate marketing, promoting products and earning commissions. Selling digital products, creating and selling ebooks, courses, or templates to maximize your profit. These 3 methods work together to create a system that runs on autopilot. You don't need to be an expert, have a big budget, or even work full time on this. You just need to start. If you're serious about making money online, don't waste another second. Click the link inside of the description of this video, and I'm going to show you how anyone can start the number 1 beginner-friendly, fully automated business from home using this unfair software that clones a 7-figure business in seconds. For more tips and strategy, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video and comment inside of the comments to let me know if you guys have any questions. It's time to be the reason for your own success. Y'all take care.